I will talk about how can you find astronomy calendar on your star Org2 app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click in this side down here. When you just click on it, then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you just click here on astronomy here calendar, you just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list, and here can you find it here your calendar. So just click on it, then it's going to show for you like this here when you select any of your uh, time of calendar here. So that's all you have to do here. I wish you a great. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.